Hey viewers, welcome to Honest Explorer, your go-to channel for thoroughly tested, deeply researched, and completely unbiased TV reviews. We don't just list TV specs, we put every TV to the test using scientific equipment, so you know exactly what you're getting before you hit that Buy Now button. Looking for the best deal on today's featured TV? We've got you covered. Check out the special purchase links in the description, because who doesn't love saving some cash? Before we dive in, do us a quick favor. Subscribe to join the Honest Explorer family and hit that like button if you love our honest reviews. We drop in-depth tech reviews and comparisons every week, so turn on notifications and never miss an update. Today, we're reviewing the Samsung S90D, a TV that's all about combining sleek design with incredible performance. This model features Neo QLED technology, which means you're getting quantum matrix technology for precise backlighting and stunning contrast. The result? Deeper blacks, brighter whites, and vivid colors that make every frame pop. The Neo Quantum Processor 4K takes the picture quality to another level. It uses advanced AI to upscale lower resolution content, so even your older shows and movies look sharp and detailed. Whether you're watching sports, movies, or gaming, the motion clarity on the S90D is exceptional, ensuring no blur even during the fastest action scenes. For audio, Samsung's Object Tracking Sound Plus creates a dynamic experience where the sound follows the action on screen. And if you've got a Samsung soundbar, the Q Symphony feature ensures perfect synchronization, giving you a richer and fuller soundscape. On the downside, while the brightness is impressive, it doesn't quite reach the levels of the top-tier Neo QLED models. Additionally, the smart interface, though feature-packed, can sometimes feel a bit slow when multitasking between apps. But for its sleek design and strong all-around performance, the Samsung S90D is a solid choice for any entertainment setup. With its stunning picture quality, immersive sound, and smooth gaming performance, this TV definitely checks all the boxes for a modern entertainment experience. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows, diving into the latest games, or just enjoying crisp, vibrant visuals, this TV delivers. Don't forget to check out the special deals in the video description if you're thinking about picking one up for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.